Pepper flakes right there. Nicely done. The cheese and the ramen noodles right in there. Whoa.
Today I'm going to be making ramen noodle omelets. All right, so first what you're going to need is ramen noodles. All right, got ramen noodles. And I have cheese. All right, this is cheese. And I have eggs. I have 2 eggs, right? So I'm going to crack the egg. That's 1 egg. And then I have the 2nd egg, okay? And then I'm going to beat the egg. All right, so now that I've beated the egg, I'm gonna set that to the side. And then I'm gonna have take the ramen noodles. I'm gonna take the ramen noodles. You see, have them already made in this ramen cooker. Check the description part of the page for more information on where to get the ramen cooker from. Great tool. So I cooked the ramen noodles. This is creamy chicken flavor. I drained it, as you can see. I'm gonna take some of the ramen noodles, just rip it apart, just like a pinch. And I'm gonna put it in this bowl right here. And then I'm gonna get some cheese and put it in the bowl. And then I'm gonna mix the ramen noodles and cheese together in this bowl right here. All right? Now we're gonna get to making the omelet. All right, so I'm about to cook the omelet. I'm cooking at a very low temperature, okay? Because it makes a better omelet. And I sprayed the pan with coconut oil. You can use other types of oil if you'd like to, but just lightly spray it. And I'm just gonna have the 2 eggs, and I'm just gonna let this sit, and it's gonna cook slowly. So slowly that I probably really won't need to flip it because it cooks that slowly. It makes a better omelet. All right, this is, you can see it's pretty much cooked all the way through. I told you when I cook it slow, it actually cooks all the way through without requiring to be flipped. But I am going to flip it though, because this is how you make an omelet. All right. So what I'm going to do is I sprinkle a little bit of pepper down there, right? And I'm going to get it from the sides, get up underneath it, and flip it just like that. You see that? You see how nice and great it is? I'm going to sprinkle a little bit more pepper on top. All right. And then I am going to take the ramen noodles. You see that? Ramen noodles. And I am going to place it down on there. Okay? Kind of added too much, but it's okay. I'm going to make it work, right? So have the ramen noodles on there. And then I am going to fold it in half, okay? Half moon. If they can do it. It's a big omelet. Put it in half, and I'm just going to let it cook and let the cheese melt for about a minute or 2. We got to have all the cheese melted. It is very important, okay? All right, this is done. Do you see this omelet, okay? Pepper flakes right there. Nicely done. The cheese and the ramen noodles right in there. Whoa, slid. All right, I'm going to take this out and place it onto the plate. The cheese is oozing out. All right, and I'm going to, wow, look at that. The ramen noodles up in there. Look at that. I'm going to put a little bit, to make it a little fancy, I'm going to put a little bit of sauce on this side. Look at that. Doesn't that look fancy? I'm high class, right? All right. Doesn't it look good? Absolute goodness. All right. I'm going to cut it open so we can get a little look at it. Look at that. Absolute goodness. Ramen noodles, cheese, egg, a little bit of sauce. So this is good. You know what? I'm going to get going because I'm going to eat this right here. You guys, try this recipe out. It's a great recipe. Tell me what you think. Thanks a lot for watching. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness.